Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's get started with this easy wearable gold cut crease using the Natasha Denona Sunset palette. Starting off with the lightest shade in the palette, we're going to place this all over the eyelid, focusing it on the cut crease, and this is going to be our first transition shade. Okay, now we're going to go in with that yellow color, and we're going to focus this right under the other shade on the crease. Once we have what we're looking for, we're going to get that orange shade and we're going to do the same thing. Focus this shade right under the yellow on the crease. Okay, now that we have a nice gradient of colors, we're going to grab any concealer you have on hand and we're going to cut the crease. We're going to make sure she looks up, and we're going to have a nice guide on where we need to follow and cut the crease. Okay, now we're going to get this gold shade, and with a little brush we're going to focus this on the inner corner of the eyes, all the way to half the lid. Same brush, we're gonna now get this other coppery shade of gold, and we're gonna focus this on the outer part of the eyes. Now we're just gonna go ahead and clean any fallout that we may get from these eyeshadows. Okay, now with the Kat Von D tattoo liner, I'm going to go ahead and create a long wing. Now we're going to use a black eyeliner. We're going to go ahead and tie line, and we're going to also place this in the waterline. And now to smoke it up, we're going to grab the same orange shade we used on the crease with a pencil brush, and we're going to smudge the eyeliner away. And now to add some color on the bottom lash line, I'm going to go ahead and grab that red shade, and we're going to place that close to the lashes as possible. Okay, now we're going to apply some mascara on the top and bottom lashes, followed by a pair of your favorite fake lashes. Now focusing on the face, we're going to use Give Me Sun by MAC, a bronzer, and we're going to bronze her face up. Just to let you guys know, all products I used on this video will be listed on the description box below. With the Shade of Night palette by Kat Von D, I'm going to use those two darker shades, and I'm going to contour my beautiful model. Now using the lightest shade, I'm going to use that to brighten up the under eye and to also clean the contour. Now using the Carli Bibel Palette, I'm going to use the shades down there, the lightest and the gold one, to highlight her cheekbones. Now using the Cover FX Illuminating Setting Spray, I'm going to, spritz that all over her face just to give me some luminosity. And using the lightest highlighting shade, I'm going to put that on top before it dries for a blinding highlight. Now we're going to use the All Nighter setting spray by Urban Decay to set all the makeup so it does not move throughout the day. And I'm going to use the gold and the lightest shade in the Carli Bibel palette in her inner corners. And this is the completed look. Thank you so much everyone for watching my video. Please make sure you follow Sandy on her Instagram and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. Please let me know also if you have any suggestions for me in the comments below. And here are some previous videos. Thank you so much everyone again for watching. Bye bye.